This is a Whirlpool water filter for Whirlpool refrigerators. So this package came in just the box. There's no cushioning or anything, no packaging tape. Packaging popcorn. So you can see during shipping it got beat up. But this is a Whirlpool filter. It has the model number 4396710, so it's name brand. I think it's made by PUR. And this is the one that's supposed to filter out a bunch of different things. It says over here. Again, it's 4396710. And you replace it from the bottom of your refrigerator. It can be used in all these different ones. Let's see about opening it up. So opening it up reveals the filter. It's kind of dusty. And that's it.